Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cabbage for ugali. First, select a fresh, medium-sized green cabbage weighing approximately 2 pounds. Begin by carefully removing any tough outer leaves and the hard core. Then, finely shred the entire cabbage, ensuring uniform pieces for even cooking. Next, dice 1 large onion and 2 ripe tomatoes. Have 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper ready. Now, let's get cooking. Place a large pan on your stovetop and add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, heating it over a steady medium flame. Once the oil is shimmering, add your finely diced large onion. Sauté the onion gently for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring frequently until it turns beautifully translucent and fragrant. Remember, we want it soft and sweet, not browned, to build a perfect flavor base for our cabbage. It's time for the star ingredient. Add all of your finely shredded cabbage to the pan with the softened onions. Give it a good stir, ensuring the cabbage is well coated with the oil and onions. Now, season generously with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Continue to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the cabbage is tender crisp, retaining a slight bite. Almost there. Now, add your diced tomatoes to the pan with the cooked cabbage. Stir them in gently and allow them to cook for just 2 to 3 minutes. We want the tomatoes to soften slightly, releasing their juices, but still maintain some texture. Give it a final taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Serve this flavorful cabbage immediately alongside freshly prepared, hot ugali for a truly satisfying and authentic meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.